Today we're going to go over the installation of the J&L oil separator for your 20 to 22 Shelby GT500, part number 3054P. Available in a black anodized or a clear silver finish. Tools needed are going to be a Phillips head screwdriver, 13mm open end wrench. You can also use a small regular screwdriver and a 13mm ratchet and socket. The first thing we need to do is remove the factory PCV line. You can see these blue clips on the side. You're going to pull that tab over and go straight up. Same with the other end on the supercharger. Now we're going to take the bracket and the supplied screws, line up the holes, and screw them together. All right, now bring over your assembly. Connect to the fitting on the supercharger. You'll hear it click. Then onto the valve cover. Now here's where I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. You can take your open end wrench, 13mm, and unscrew this bolt. You're definitely going to need a second set of hands to hold the hood because this is the prop rod for the hood, the shock. I have a support rod holding it myself, or the easier way is that's a long bolt. Take a regular screwdriver. There's a little clip in the bottom of this shock. Pry it out a little bit, pull it off. Now you can take your ratchet and socket, pull this out a lot faster. You're going to use that same bolt to mount the bracket. And snap the shock back on. If you ever need to remove the separator, simply push on the green tabs. It actually says push on most of them. Push and pull off.